After my first luxury experience on Explora Journeys Explora 1, I decided to try out the elevated experience in the MSC Yacht Club on the MSC Seashore. So I booked a 3-day sailing to Nassau and their private island, Ocean Key. Immediately, I saw and experienced both similarities and differences right away. As soon as I got out of my Uber, I already knew to go to the yacht club check-in area to drop off my bag instead of giving my bag to the porter. Now, if you're not familiar with this, a porter may still ask you if you want to check your bag with them, even though they're aware of your yacht club check-in process, where your bags will be brought to your room. Now, at the yacht club check-in, there wasn't a porter to hand my bag to, but rather we left our bags in an area and they would be delivered to our rooms. And just like on Explora Journeys, once it was time to board, we were escorted every step of the way. But here, from the terminal all the way to our rooms, white-gloved associates or butlers, they were not white-gloved on Explora Journeys, but they escorted us to our exclusive waiting area in the terminal where we were treated to beverages and refreshments while we waited to board. While on Explora Journeys, we were escorted to the check-in tables, but here, the check-in associate came to us. As I enjoyed my beverages and refreshments, an associate came and sat right beside me to check me in, give me my key card and wristband, the day's itinerary, and then she explained everything about the experience to come. I was able to use my digital boarding pass on my phone to check in, and she verified my passport and took my picture, all while sitting in the chair next to me. We were also given a temporary yacht club sticker to wear, just so that we could be easily identified in the embarkation process to be escorted to the lounge. Now, as soon as we stepped on board, we were whisked away from Gen Pop and escorted directly to our muster stations. Now, I will say I'm not one for attention, so yes, it did feel a bit strange to me to be escorted. Now, unless absolutely necessary, I was already feeling that I wouldn't use an escort outside of, just showing you the process. But would I stick to that feeling? We shall see.
So, now we're going to show to you where is your assembly station. You need to show your cruise card and it will be scanned in your assembly station.
So we were all taken together to our different muster stations to check in as the butler held the elevator doors and waited for all of us. Then we were guided to the yacht club lounge where we were treated to more beverages and treats. One thing I will say about the escort service, it made it such a breeze to get on the ship completely stress-free. There was no waiting in lines, no crowds. Now I did like that part. Now, this lounge was an absolute zone of peace for me. I found the experience to be absolutely phenomenal. The staff were always very attentive, asking me if I wanted to order anything, recognizing when my drink was low, clearing plates away when I was done, and asking me if I would like anything else. And of course, they immediately get to know you. And they would walk right up and just ask me if I wanted another Prosecco, because that's what I was drinking. But not only drinks, an associate also came over to me to offer to set up my Wi-Fi on my phone and my laptop, since premium Wi-Fi is included for 2 devices. We were waiting here, enjoying the space until our rooms were ready, and then we were escorted individually to our rooms. Yes, now this I did not experience on Explora 1, but I can understand that because on an Explora Journeys cruise, the entire ship would have had to have been escorted. Their butler service was for the higher category suites.
Okay, welcome to your suite room, ma'am. This is your cruise card or wristband.
All right.
And then there is a holder as well.
Okay, thank you so much.
Ventilation. Thank you so
All right.
much. I'll see you later again.
Thank you. All right, and here we are. Hey, are you enjoying this content so far? If you are, I hope that you will like this video and subscribe to the channel so that I'll know to create more content like this. All right, so I did have to put my key card in here. And here is a quick look at the suite. And of course, a room tour will be coming. But just to give you a little peek here, this is an interior in the yacht club. All right, so an eventful morning. So I am on board the MSC Seashore. I am trying out the Yacht Club because after doing Explora Journeys, one of the questions I got was, how does that compare to the Yacht Club? And I did not know. I had no idea. So of course, we had to come and try it out. So now surprisingly, you know, the embarkation process, actually, I would say it actually topped Explora Journeys. But you know, it's one of those things where I kind of wonder if it's only because MSC has been doing the Yacht Club for so long and they have their process down, because they had their staff there with white gloves on and they knew exactly what to do. They just run right through everything. I do kind of feel like Explora Journeys, you know, their embarkation process, even though it was escorted, it just seems like the Yacht Club, at least what I experienced today, was a little more attentive and just like the white glove service, you know. So, but not to say Explora Journeys was anything lacking. All right, so I am going to do a room tour later because right now I am going to go up to the pool deck for lunch. You can go to either the pool deck or the MSC Yacht Club restaurant. And the restaurant, I know it's going to be like a full meal. I think it sounds like the pool deck is going to be kind of lighter fare. So I'm really not into, I don't want anything really heavy right now. So I am going to go up to the pool deck to see what they have to offer there. All right, what is this? What is this? Do I see, is this Explora Journeys here? Are they trying to sell Explora Journeys? Hey, I didn't realize I'm just below the pool deck where I'm going, so it's only one flight, but hey. All right, so this is the pool deck. There were quite a few people at the pool deck buffet, so I didn't want to film, but here's what I got. All right, so this is only a little short 3-day cruise. I just wanted to do something short and quick just to try it out. We are going to Nassau and Ocean Key. Now, I didn't want to film for lunch because, you know, I'm kind of iffy about filming here in the Yacht Club area. So I'm definitely trying not to get people and trying to only film when I'm away from others. But for lunch, I had lunch on the pool deck. You can have it either on the pool deck or in the restaurant. So I chose the pool deck, you know, for this first time because I just wanted something a little bit light. Didn't want like a full plate of food, you know, like a heavy meal or something. So I got grilled sea bass. I got a chicken skewer, Cobb salad, a little coleslaw, and a little bit of mashed potatoes. So just kind of like a mixture of things, and everything was good except the sea bass. Now I have actually never had sea bass before, and it felt like it didn't have any, it tasted like it didn't have any seasoning. So I'm not sure if that's how sea bass is supposed to taste. So I'm gonna have to get some again, maybe even at a different restaurant or a different location somewhere off the ship so I can see what sea bass is supposed to taste like. But it just really didn't taste like it had any flavor, but everything else was actually good. And I can tell you already, I can feel the difference in that, you know, here in the Yacht Club, of course, you have the opportunity to go mix with everybody else. But if you choose not to and you want to stay in the Yacht Club bubble, so far, that's what it feels like, a bubble. It's like I have not been around a large crowd of people. Even in the MSC Yacht Club lounge area, they were escorting people in groups for the embarkation process. So by the time you came into your group, you waited for your room to be ready, and more than likely most of the people in a certain group will be gone before they usher the next group of people in. So it never felt crowded, even though I can't say the Yacht Club lounge is like extremely large, but it never got full. So you never felt that crowded feeling. And even now I'm here on the lounge deck. Yes, this reminds me of Explora Journeys, like how empty it was. But of course there's a different feel about it. I would say Explora had a more luxurious feel, you know, so far. Here it's nice. They have nice loungers, but it's not Explora loungers. All right, so now a few things I want to do. Right now I'm about to go back to my room, unpack a little bit, do a room tour. I may do a live stream today, maybe, we'll see. And I saw that they gave us some free, I think this is everybody though, not just the Yacht Club, but we have some free play in the casino. until 9 o'clock. So definitely going to do that. Might do the spa. So I don't know. It's going to be a lot that I'm going to try to fit in these 3 days, plus get the full MSC Yacht Club experience. But for now, I'm about to head down to the room and unpack and get situated. The Yacht Club pool deck felt like just enough space to relax and enjoy, but there was very little shade. So hopefully there'll be some overcast days. I don't know, because this really does look inviting, but it's not shaded. And it looks like my luggage has safely arrived. All right, y'all, don't judge me. It's 3:18, and yeah, I just got up from a nap. I was just so tired, but I've been up since 3 a.m. this morning because I took the Bright Line to Port Canaveral this morning. So I got the Bright Line at 6 a.m. and came up here, got here about 10 o'clock for boarding. So I got up pretty early, and I've been up for a while. So yeah, it caught up with me and I had to get some sleep. All right, so this is my pistachio martini, and this is actually very delicious. It has a sweet taste to it, kind of creamy. It's good. So I am sitting here in a little corner. There is, as you see, there's an outside area to the yacht club. So I'll take some time to stroll out there as well. All right, we are now sailing away, and I came outside of the lounge just to have a seat before I go change and go up to dinner. But yeah, so we are now pulling out. So I'm just sitting here watching us kind of maneuver and turn around to get ready to go straight ahead there. But yeah, so I'm out here on the deck. This is, like I said, outside of the lounge. And again, not many people out here. Now this part does remind me of Explora Journeys. Not too many people out here, which is nice. It's calm, it's peaceful, it's quiet. Again, that no pressure, no hustle and bustle. So I do like that because I know that all of that is going on outside the Med Yacht Club bubble. So, so it's nice not to have to be a part of that. All right, we are here at the Yacht Club for dinner. So far I'm very calm, very relaxing, very inviting, no pressure, no hustle and bustle. So a very nice and relaxing experience. I did not order gluten-free, but there are gluten-free items marked on the menu. So if you have an allergy, there's gluten-free and vegetarian. All right, it turns out the scallops were appetizers. So I got the scallops. All right.
I want you to pick one. I have a regular deck of cards.
Okay. All right.
I want you to pick one now.
All right. I'm gonna pick one. Okay.
Remember your card.
Okay.
Remember your card. Yeah?
Okay.
I want you to put it here in the middle. Just put it here.
All right.
Oh, watch. Tap it like this. I think your card is here. See, if I snap, see, it will jump. See, it jump to the top. Now I put your card here. I want you to cover it like this.
Okay.
But the next card is this one, the Ace of Hearts, right?
Okay, yes.
Now watch the Ace of Hearts. See, if I tap it like this, see, it will change. You see, it change to your card. I'll check the card inside.
No.
Check the card inside.
No. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Okay. One more. Yes. Okay. One more. Okay. I gotta watch this. Okay.
So I want you to pick one, any card.
Okay. All right.
Don't pick the Joker, but remember,
All right.
remember your card, right?
All right. Okay.
Just put it here.
Okay.
Your card, right?
Yes.
Here. I don't have any breaks. Now,
Okay.
give me 3 chances. Can you tell me what is your card?
Tell you?
Yeah.
It was the 6 of clubs.
See, watch it. I'll do it with one finger. See, 6 of clubs. See, there you go.
Oh my goodness.
This is your
Oh
card,
wow. Yes. Yes it is. That was good.
Last one.
Last one?
Any
Okay.
card, any card.
Okay.
don't pick the same thing. You pick the same thing. Oh my God.
How did you know? Wait a minute. Is this?
No,
How
this
did
is
you know I
correct.
picked the same thing? Okay.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you. And now here is the risotto. This looks so good, and it looks light, and I didn't want anything, you know, really heavy. So this looks delicious. And this is perfect. It's very light. It's risotto. It has a lemony type of, you know, flavor to it, and it has clams. I love the sauce. The sauce is very delicious, so very good. I'm very pleased. She wants me to showcase them since I have my camera here and been pulling it out, trying to keep it, you know, tucked away and everything, but you know, they're noticing. So she's like, yeah, you're a vlogger, right? Yeah, show them. So I'm gonna try the two desserts just to show you. Oh wow. Okay. All right, looks good. Thank you. All right. So this is the crema catalana, and the plate is warm, so it sounds like it's warm. And this, I might try a little bit of this. I don't like, even though, you know, I'm less sensitive now, I'm not gonna eat, you know, all this. It looks like, you know, like a kind of cake type of thing, but I'm gonna try a little bit of it just to see how it is. All right, first we're gonna try the crema catalana. So yeah, the texture is like a creme brulee. All right, it's like a creme brulee. It's like a creme brulee. It just doesn't have the sugary crusty top, but it is delicious. This is good. All right, and we'll try a little bit of the laka or something like that. I don't remember, and I don't have a menu in front of me. So I'm just going to try a little bit of like the top and get just a little bit of the body of it. So I got mostly cream, but there's a little bit of cake in there. Let's see. So the cream is not sweet at all, and it has coconut in it, and I'm not a fan of coconut, so this is not my favorite. Let me try the different like sauces that they have on the plate. The orange sauce is a little bit tart. Let me see what the red sauce is. The red is raspberry, so that's good. But yeah, so this, if you like coconut, you're gonna, well, I'm not gonna say you're gonna love it, but if you like coconut, you might be a fan of this one. But I do love the crema catalana. All right, so I enjoyed dinner. Now, was it on the caliber of Explora Journeys? No. But was it better than usually the traditional cruise line, like the main dining room? Yes. So it was worth it. It was delicious. I enjoyed it, and I'm looking forward to going again and trying other things off the menu. Stay tuned for part 2 of my boarding day experience in the yacht club, where I enjoy more of the experience, and also peek in on Jim Pop for a second, and I mean just a second, to go to the solo meetup. Are you ready for your first or your next cruise and need assistance? Scan the QR code and let's work together to plan your customized cruise experience.